Access Hollywood co-anchor Kit Hoover files for divorce after 25 years of marriage. Kit Hoover, co-anchor of Access Hollywood, has filed for divorce from her husband of 25 years, Crowley Sullivan. According legal documents, Hoover cited irreconcilable differences as the reason for their split and listed their official date of separation as May 1, 2024. Hoover, 54, is seeking joint legal and physical custody of their 18-year-old son, Crowley Jr. She is also requesting spousal support, as specified in an agreement between the two parties. The couple, who tied the knot in 1999, have 3 children together: daughters Campbell, 22, and Hayes, 21, and son Crowley Jr. Hoover was previously spotted without her wedding ring in photos and videos leading up to their breakup. Hoover's representative has not commented on the divorce filing. The couple's separation was first reported in December 2024.